Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here with the official demo video to show you the power of our SyndBuddy platform that allows you to get free targeted traffic to any offer or service by letting our proven army of over 8,000 members do all of your syndication for you so that you can rank on page 1 of Google or YouTube or both in a matter of weeks or even days. So yes, I'm talking about totally hands-free rankings for any niche site or video or pretty much any URL you want to get traffic for. There's literally zero work on your part besides submitting the URL you want to get traffic for, and then the SyndBuddy army gets to work for you right away. There's zero learning curve since everything is pretty much done for you, and I'm going to show you exactly how that works here in this video. And honestly, it doesn't even matter if you suck at SEO or are new to the subject, or if you've used other ranking tools and have failed. Because literally SyndBuddy is the easiest and most proven platform that you've ever used to get page 1 rankings at will. And I'm going to show you exactly how it works here in this video. And here I am in the dashboard for SyndBuddy. And the first thing you're going to notice is up here at the top that our members have done over 5 million shares for each other's content. And yes, these are real shares that get automatically updated about every hour or so, which are real shares from user to user, because we've truly built the easiest and simplest platform for peer-to-peer sharing so that everyone can get more rankings and more traffic. All right. And you can see here just some of my campaigns that have been added here to the system. You can see here this campaign has been shared by 30 different members, shared over 45 different times. And this one I actually added about 2 days ago. This one I added about 4 days ago, and it's already gotten 238 users to share it 953 times. This one here, 294 users shared this campaign 1,500 times. This one here, 292 users shared it over 1,500 times as well. So you can see all the interaction that's going on in here inside of our SyndBuddy platform, and we've truly made it again, the simplest done-for-you way to get high-quality, real social syndication, which is what Google wants. So within a matter of minutes, you'll be able to come in here and submit any URL that you want to have our SyndBuddy start sharing that information for you right away. And right below this video, you'll also be able to see some real testimonials from just a handful of our users, which multiple people are using in multiple different ways. Some people are using it for YouTube videos. Some people are using it for their niche sites, for local clients. And there's one user who's actually using it in a very unique way, which he used it to boost his press releases. So there's so many different ways that you can go about using this platform. And it's one of the most natural and white hat ways to get real backlinks to your URLs to get more rankings, okay? Because again, these are real users located all over the world sharing your content on their social platforms, which is one of the most natural ways to make that happen. Okay, so we're going to come here, hit new social share campaign, and this is literally all you have to do. Okay, you have to name your campaign. So I'm going to call this Demo 1. This is where you submit your URL. So you can submit literally any URL that you want to get traffic for. You can submit your niche site. You can submit a YouTube video. You can submit an e-commerce store. You can submit a Google My Business URL. You can submit an e-commerce site. You can submit an Amazon URL. Any URL that you want to get more traffic and more rankings for, you can submit it in here. And you can also submit multiple URLs for each campaign as well. I typically like to do one URL or 2 URLs per campaign max. And here is where you submit your keywords as well. So keyword 1. Keyword 2, keyword 3, so on and so forth. Okay, I usually target about 4 to 6 keywords, main keywords per URL, and then you can also have your long tail keywords mixed into there as well. And if you have no idea what this even means, don't worry, we are including an entire keyword bootcamp training with your purchase today so that you can know the exact keywords that we like to target in our campaigns to get the best results. All right, and then the category that your campaign is in, the total limit. So this, if you want to just get 100 shares for this URL, you can set this to whatever you want. And of course, that depends on how many credits you purchase, since SyndBuddy does run on a credit-based system, which is what keeps the checks and balances, okay? When someone shares your campaign, you lose those credits, and that user that shared your campaign earns those credits. And then if you ever share someone else's content, you earn those credits, and that user loses those credits. So it's all very balanced that way, and keeps the checks and balances where it's all credit based, so that people are motivated to share. And also, even if you don't want to share, we have a very powerful new feature that allows users to turn on auto sharing. So their account is constantly earning credits, and they pretty much don't have to, they earn all of their credits. So we have multiple levels where you can choose which package works for you. If you don't want to do any sharing at all, you don't have to. You don't have to do any social account creation if you don't want to. You can come in and just submit URLs and purchase credits on the go. Or again, we have some users that prefer to just earn their credits, and that's how that works. And we have a little bit more information about how the credits work in the frequently asked questions section of this page. And then if you want to set a daily limit, you can do that here as well. This is important if you are just starting out a new niche site or a client site, and you want to just take it a little bit easy, or you want to ease into it. This is a good idea to set a daily limit, because you saw some of those examples. Within a matter of days, you can get thousands and thousands of shares, okay? And then here we do have the option for you to submit your shared URLs to our indexer. So this helps to boost the shared links a little bit more, because we do provide you with a full report of the URLs where users have shared your content on. So if you submit this, all of those URLs will get submitted to the indexer, okay, which allows you to get better results, because the more of those backlinks that users have built for you that Google knows about, the better results you're going to get. All right, so we built our own in-house indexer to boost those results even more. And this is a separate upgrade option, so make sure that you do pick that up. I believe it's upgrade option number 2. So for a one-time payment, you can get access to that, and literally you have to do nothing else but just check that box on. And then here we have our AI content generator that we just added in here. That makes it even easier for you to for you to go ahead and get your content generated for each section, since our users will be posting your content on blogs, they will be posting your content on social bookmarking on social sites, they will be posting your sites on social bookmarking sites, and along with each of those needs to have some content. So here we built in our AI content generator, which automatically writes this content for you. And that's it. Literally, this is all you have to do. So you can see within a matter of minutes, you can come in here and start submitting multiple URLs to have our SyndBuddy Army start sharing your content for you. And the best part is that here, you don't even have to edit this at all. Okay, you can see here, do not insert links. We will handle that for you based on the URLs and keywords that you used up here. So we will insert those backlinks into the content for you. So literally you are done. There's nothing else for you to do. You just name the campaign, you put your URLs, you put your keywords, set the category, set your limits, submit to the indexer, generate your content, and that's it. There's nothing else for you to do. We do have one additional option here where it allows you to send your campaign to SyndLab. Okay. Now SyndLab is pretty much like SyndBuddy's older sister, where you'll be sharing your content on your own social profiles. And then SyndBuddy is an extension to that, where you get over 8,000 users. You can tap into over 8,000 users, and they'll be sharing your content on their platforms. So SyndLab is an additional upgrade as well. So if you do not have a SyndLab account yet, you can go ahead and purchase that as part of an upgrade to SyndBuddy, okay? But you'll see that inside of SyndLab, you can have different groups, and you'll be able to select where to share your content to your social platforms, okay? And from here, all you got to do is hit submit campaign, and you are good to go. There's nothing else for you to do. That is how simple it is to come in here and start tapping into over 8,000 users that are ready to share your content on their social profiles. And let me just come here to show you what some of those campaigns look like. Okay, so if I come here and I look at this report here, all right, you can see these are the report of where users are sharing my content on. Okay, so you can see Facebook and Blogspot, some WordPress blogs as well. So you're getting high quality syndication to your sites, and this is what gets submitted to the indexer, okay, to boost these even more. All right, and you can always export this and submit it to your clients. You can do some indexing of your own. Pretty much you can do whatever it is that you want with your reports. All right, so that's it. That's SyndBuddy in a nutshell, and we look forward to having you join our army and start getting even more results, more rankings with your URLs and your content.